channel. Welcome if you're new here. And as you can see from today's title of the video, it is going to be a productive day in my life, get it all done and clean and motivation video. I am excited to do this. I am going to be deep cleaning my living room. I'm going to be cleaning up underneath my couch, and I am going to be cleaning my couch itself and plus my area rug that's in the living room. I also want to take the time to put together my bar stools. I have bar stools that have been sitting in the box and that needs to be put together, so I want to do that. I also want to clean up my kitchen. It's not that bad, but I still need to sweep and mop my floor. And I also want to sweep and mop the foyer and also my laundry room and my dining room. So this is just gonna be a big cleaning video, and it's also going to include a review. I received a UV3 cordless vacuum from Erebros Pro. Thank you so much for sending this out to me to review and try out, and we're going to do that also in this video today. So once again, my name is Shay, and welcome back to my channel. To all my current subscribers and to anyone who does decide to join the family, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. Yeah. I just wanted to show you guys what my base is looking like in the house here and what I'll be cleaning up and tackling going forward. So this is just everything and how it's looking, and we're going to be cleaning this up today. So hey guys, so this is the YouNow Home UV cordless vacuum review, and that is what we're going to be doing today. Like I said, this will be a productive day, and it's going to be centered around me using my UV3 cordless vacuum and reviewing it. So I will be using this to clean, but I'll be doing that to give a good review. So we are going to unbox this, and we are going to start here in the living room first because it's the easiest thing to do, and it's also why I record this video, so we can see just how good this vacuum is. So let's go ahead and get into that, and I am going to unbox it, and then I'm going to begin moving all of the clothing and things that you see off the couch, and getting all the toys up and removing those also, so I can tackle vacuuming my rug and then also get up underneath my couch. This is also a sleeper couch, so I do want to take my cushions off of this side here specifically and vacuum off the top of the bedding platform part. So you guys are going to see the inner workings of my couch. It is also a recliner on this side too, so we're going to get there, but let's go ahead and start this unboxing of this vacuum that I am so grateful and appreciative of getting. And I thank you so much for sending this and for working with me and collaborating with me once again. So you see what I was talking about when I said I wanted to vacuum in here. Gonna get to that. And as you can see, you can start to see some of the mess up underneath the couch. So we're gonna move that. What you doing? shows you a bit of controls and components that's all in the box on the actual box. So that is what I am recording for you. I'm just checking to make sure everything is in the box.
What you doing?
Now that everything is out, I am going to begin to put the vacuum together. I am going to read the instructions, and this vacuum has a trigger press in order for it to start up, and you'll see later on in the video. Watch me forget that. The trigger press option, I love it because of the fact that my daughter, she is turning on everything. She knows how to press buttons. So my other white Black Decker vacuum that's like this cordless vacuum, that is UV3, it can be easily turned on. She turns it on all the time. But this vacuum, she can't play with it. She can't do anything because of the trigger press, and that's something I like. So this is what the UV3 looks like put together, and it's beautiful. I love the colors. It moves smoothly. I am about to turn it on, so we want to see how that works. But so far, just pushing it, very lightweight. This is something that's good for me because I'm a small person and I haven't started working on my upper body strength, so I like that. It's smooth. So we gonna turn this baby on. Let's see how this works. Oh, did I turn it on? You probably got a charge. They probably sent me a dead vacuum. Don't do that to me, y'all. Yes. Oh, it's dead. Okay, y'all. I gotta charge it.
What you doing? You should cry lotion for me.
While the vacuum charges up, I am going to clean my kitchen. That includes the countertops, the table, the chairs. I am going to wash the dishes also. I want to say thank you to every last one of my subscribers who subscribe to my channel and follow my content and comment and engage with me. Your support is greatly appreciated. When I started this journey with the thought process of this channel being just my memory book, but you guys have now instilled in me other goals that I want to accomplish, and I want to thank you guys for that, because without you I wouldn't want to try these other goals. And I hope that you continue to like and comment and subscribe and just let me know that you like my content. I do still have a lot for you guys. I am still recording actively as we speak. I just have to get those videos out to you, and I plan to. I'm a regular person just like you are, so just keep that in mind. I have things that goes on a daily basis that can stop me from, uploading content and just being as consistent as I would like. So I just wanted to say that, and I just want to say thank you and that I love you guys, and I hope you're having a great day. Let's just discuss how my man always talking about he doesn't want to be on camera, he doesn't want to be filmed, he doesn't want to be in any of my videos. But you guys got into his head with that last video. So tell me why he's here in this one. Like, sir, come on now. It's either you don't want to be in the videos or you are going to be in the videos. Which one is it? Pick one. Not to mention, they sent me this vacuum. They sent it to me to try out and watch him scope it out, and then he tried to use it. It's crazy. To be fair, it's a great vacuum. I love it. If I could buy everyone in my family one, I would. And I do have the code for it, and I will link it down in the description box. As you guys know, I put everything in the description box. If you see anything you want, you can always get it out of there. But yeah, I'm like I said, sir, I'm gonna buy you your own, okay? Because this is mine. This is mine. It's all mine. Guys, just look at this man. Just look at him.
Be my ride.
Guys, I like this. Oh, I like this a lot. I like this. Very much so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is it. This one's better than the white one.
Yeah.
Yes.
I saw it's got turbo.
Yeah. Turbo is for deep cleaning. So far, both the regular floor suction on this road and the carpet suction is phenomenal. And this is very lightweight. Like, this is very lightweight compared to that other one. Pushing that around can get a bit heavy, especially since my I don't have that much upper strength anymore. Like, not like I used to, but it can get tiring pushing that. This very like smooth. As you can see, it's not suctioning the rug so hard to the point where I can't.
It's cranking up the rug.
Yeah, like it's actually getting it. I like this a lot. A lot. Yeah, very quiet. I like this. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna keep in as much of that audio that I just had with my husband because this vacuum is amazing. This is amazing. Like, this is amazing. Enough playing around. We are going to really test out this UV3 and see what it's about. Now that my UV3 has gotten my floor so cleaned as far as sweeping or vacuuming wise, I am going to go in with my Shark steam mop. You know I love this. It ain't clean unless it's steamed, baby. It's not clean. So get you a steam mop, and the link for that will also be in the description box. But mostly, go run and get that UV3. Y'all see what it did. Y'all know I section clean, and I section clean with a purpose, just to make sure I don't miss a spot and everything is clean. So we are also getting this side of the room too. Y'all should know that. I am going to get the baseboards also. Please believe that if I saw the dust enough to vacuum the shelf on my TV stand, that I did wipe that TV stand. I just didn't get it on camera. I wanted to focus mainly on cleaning my floors and getting my living room put back together before my daughter got home, and I accomplished that goal. I just wanted her to have an area where she could play, and I didn't want my house to look too much of a mess. Now that everything is clean, the floor is clean, everything's vacuumed, it's been mopped, I am going to put everything back in its place, including the toys. And after that, I am going to vacuum in the inside of my couch using one of the attachment tools. The UV3's performance has been proven to be very impressive. They got my couch's platform clean very well also. I've been dying to put together these bar stools, so today that gets done also, and I am extremely excited to have completed this task. They were cute and they look nice. I ran a little over on time, so I had to go pick up my daughter. I'm back now. I am going to move all of these items out of this section right here, and I am going to section clean, which includes vacuuming and then steam mopping, and then I'm going to place my bar stools in their place. I am doing this pretty quickly just because my daughter is home and I don't like using the steam mop or hot items while my daughter is around. And if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you join the family before you go. And this is just the last of it. I am going to place my items back and put them in place, and me and my daughter are going to take the trash out, and that's the end of the video. So thank you for watching once again, and I hope you guys go and cop that UV3. The link will be in the bio. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.